Our guys out here in Waiheke County going to hike 27 Falls. I will put the location on the video with the GPS coordinates. It's not on any map or all trails, so this is quite a treat you'll get to see today. So once you get off the main road, you want to park unless you have a high clearance four-wheel drive. You'll have to walk in. If you got a four-wheel drive, you can drive all the way into the trail. Enjoy.
On this game on Roblox, you have to have the Xbox, and now Xbox. Yeah, I know 6
And there's 6 You need a lot of these ones.
Huh? Well, she can. Isn't this cool, babe? See, usually this is all covered in water. Since we're in the late season. We're almost to the first waterfall. As you can see, this place is awesome. It's not on any map. There's our first waterfall. And it just canyon goes back and back and back. Here we are to one of the swimming holes.
Oh my gosh, this is a really big one.
What? Here we are in 27 Falls, and we discovered a cave. So we're getting ready to go in here and see what might be in this thing. As you can see, it is very dark.